Tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you? Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Octavia, aka Double O Styles, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new to me, make sure you go ahead and press that subscribe button and press that notification button so you can know when I post the next video. You can get that alert, okay? So this week we have an Outre wig, and her name is Tenalie. It's a lace front wig, and it is 24 inches, and we got her in the color dark cherry wine. And I know this one gonna be so bomb. It's gonna be so perfect for the season. I just know it because the color, the dark cherry color alone, it screams fall all the way, okay? I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but all I know is I'm about to look cute in my burgundy wig, okay? Don't play. So let's get into this thing. This is how she looks. This is high resistant fiber, high tech up to 400 degrees, HD transparent lace, pre-plucked lace parting, and natural baby hairs. So let's get into Tenalie. Let's get into her, okay? And this is how she looks. Beautiful type of wave. We have our lace in the front with our baby hairs and our side part. And then in the inside, we have 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. The hair is like silky. Less of a yucky feel, but more silky-ish. You know what I mean? And when I put my fingers through, it's very soft. You can see that bounce in there, you see? Beautiful. I can't wait to put this on. Let's put it on. Oh, I meant to show you the color. Okay, so it starts off black, then it goes to the burgundy dark cherry color. Okay, let's get into it now. Okay, I cut the lace. Now I'm putting the combs, sticking them combs in there. Ooh. And these are like the type of wigs that makes it so much easier. I don't really need to spray any glue on these type of wigs with the side part, because if I want to though, I will just spray like right here just so I can make sure it stays. But at the same time, I feel like this this right here is tight enough around my head enough to where I don't need glue, and I'm so thankful. Let's put some gel on these edges and let's bring this thing to life. Okay, I did my edges to the best of my ability. So now it's time to pick this part, because this part is basic. Let's fix it. Let's bring it to life by adding a little bit of foundation. Let's bring it out a little bit. Okay, so I put a little bit in a crack, and now I'm about to just like kind of make it blend. So boom, pat it down a little bit. And so now it's time to brush out these waves a little. This hair is very soft. It's very pretty color, as you can see, and they just have beautiful waves. That's the like key component of it for me. It's super soft. I love that. And this is our hairdo. What do you guys think? Very soft and bouncy type of wave. Let me show you the back. Let me make sure it's straight up. Let me brush it. Okay. 24 inches of pure curls and waves. I like how it's like flat right here. Oh, look at my edges interfering. Okay. It's like flat right here, and it goes down to all the wave or whatever. And then I just feel like with this type of style, since it's already flat, Y'all know I like to do my little hats, so it makes it the perfect wig to add like your hats and stuff, because it's already flat, and then you got so much body and personality here at the bottom. So it makes it so much easier to put on like accessories on your head, like little cute hats. Another thing I love about this wig is that you don't have to use glue. I didn't spray not one glue, and I feel very much confident that this wig is going to stay on my head all night, because of the fitting of this wig is very much gripping my head, but not like tight, not like extremely tight, but like it fits great on my head. Not too loose, not too tight. I could just snatch this thing off with no issue. Quick and easy, quick and easy. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say, because what else is there to say? I think I might do the hair behind the ear. Let me see, like that. And pull all the hair on this side. What you think? Y'all tell me what y'all think. Put in the comments and tell me what you guys think of this hair. Do you love it? Do you like it? Do you feel in this color? How about the wave? I hope I don't lose my wave. No, I'm not gonna lose it. It can't go anywhere. It's 24 straight inches of pure dark cherry hair. If you are interested in this wig, I will have the link. Ooh, I'm doing too much moving around, huh? If you're interested in this hair, I will have the link provided below. Put in the comments and tell me what you think. This was so easy. I'm over here steady trying to think of what else I could say. So I just feel like I talked enough. I feel like I told y'all exactly what it is, and I just need to shut up and go about my business for the night, because I'm going somewhere tonight. Yeah, you're gonna see the pictures at the end of this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Peace. See you guys later.